Hey Sarah, how's it going? It's been ages since we last caught up.
Aisha. I'm good, just tired from running errands. You won't believe how crazy things were today. I went to the market to buy a few clothes, but it turned into a whole day affair.
Oh no, what happened? The markets are so chaotic these days.
Yeah, you are right, the place was packed and prices have shot through the roof. I wanted to buy a simple shirt, and the tax on it was insane. It feels like they're taxing every little thing now.
Oh, don't even get me started on taxes. It's becoming impossible to afford even the basics. Families are struggling just to put food on the table, let alone buy clothes or extra stuff.
Exactly, it's like we're paying for everything twice. I couldn't believe how high the prices were. And the worst part? I had to take a cab because I bought so much stuff. The fares have gone up too. Even with these online cab services, they're still charging an arm and a leg.
Oh, I know. I've been using those online cabs too, but the rates are crazy. It's supposed to be affordable, but sometimes it feels like they're just as bad as regular taxes.
That's what I thought. I had to wait for a ride because the rates kept surging. And when I finally booked one, I was charged more than usual. How are we supposed to manage? Prices for clothes, basic items, cabs, everything is going up, except our paychecks.
It's tough, no doubt. Even going to the market has become a hassle. You go in thinking you'll buy a few things and walk out with empty pockets and the stress of haggling with shopkeepers.
Exactly. I had to negotiate so much today just to get a few bucks off. And after all that, when you add the tax and the cab fare, it's like, what's the point of even trying to save?
I feel you, Sarah. It's not easy for anyone right now, but hey, at least we got through the day. Anything you bought that you're excited about?
Yeah, I found a really cute dress on sale. But with everything else, I don't even feel like celebrating it. How about you? How's your routine going?
Same old, yeah, same old. Just trying to balance everything. I've been avoiding the market because I know it's a headache, but I'll have to go soon. Let's see how that goes.
Good luck with that. Let's just hope things calm down soon, both prices and life in general.
Fingers crossed. Take care, Sarah. We'll catch up properly soon.
You too. Aisha. Bye for now.